It's me, Jackie.
And me, Reagan.
And today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a very cool sock puppet. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, we have all our materials here and we're ready to start this video. Okay, so Reagan's going to say the first material that we are going to need.
We're going to need eyes and a sock.
Googly eyes and what else?
Super glue and markers.
Alright guys, so first, the first part that you want is you want to get your sock. Then Reagan, go ahead and open those googly eyes. You're going to take your super glue, open it up very carefully. And then Reagan, why don't you go ahead and pick our googly eyes. Okay, great choice. So I recommend that you guys do it super glue while you're in the sock, but make sure not to super glue your finger because that would be very bad. I'm gonna super glue it like right there. So first, Reagan, I need you to put some super glue on there, but do not get it on your fingers because not good. I'm doing your fingers.
I'm not good with glue, just saying.
Wipe it off, wipe it off. Good job.
I'm just saying I'm not good with glue.
Alright, there's our first eye. Success. Okay, now we're gonna do the other one. Then right when you're done with your eyes, put the super glue away. You only need a little bit. Guys, we're gonna hold these on for about like 1 minute so that they dry. Guys, it's very important that you close the super glue because super glue is very sticky.
Yeah, see, it's closing up.
So you don't want to get it on our fingers. Okay, guys, so they are super glued onto the sock. And guys, guess what the next part is, Reagan?
It is coloring the face.
Yes. So for the face, we need to make our smile. What I'm going to do is just put it like kind of in a flat circle. How we put it like this. So that we can draw it. So first we're going to start by doing like that. And then let me draw the face. Okay. And then we're going to draw a face. Guys, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? It does not have to be perfect. So Reagan, you can hold that. Thank you. Uh-oh. Okay, guys, I actually did a really good smile. Okay, Reagan, you try that. Okay, guys, it's gonna be a success. Oh my gosh! Look at that, guys! Awesome! If you want, you could add like hair with string or something like that. If you guys want to, but we don't want to, right?
Yeah.
So guys, that is it for this video today. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll leave my other videos in the description box below. See you guys next time. Bye!